This is a quick overview of Ubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster, the brand new update to the Ubuntu desktop in 2023, which brings many improvements and changes to the Gnome shell. The latest version of the Ubuntu operating system comes with 9 months of security and maintenance updates until January 2024. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video and find out what's new. If you head over to the Ubuntu website to download the latest version, you will find it available in two ISOs. The main ISO ships the new Ubuntu installer and the other one ships with the legacy desktop installer or the older version of the Ubuntu installer. The first thing you would notice when installing Ubuntu 23.04 is the new OS installer. This is a Flutter-based installer that brings a brand new look and it's not massively different from the legacy installer. While installing Ubuntu OS, you get to see a smooth slideshow that gives clear and concise information about Ubuntu. Also, the manual partition page looks very neat and clean, which gives more information about the drives and partitions. Ubuntu 23.04 ships with Gnome 44. The upstream Gnome 44 brings new changes and enhancements to the quick settings menu. The Ubuntu team modified the look of the quick settings menu and looks different in the arrow theme. In one way, it's now a lot easier to see which toggles have a submenu using the expand buttons. The all-new Bluetooth menu is a standard feature that lets you see which devices are connected as well as connect and disconnect from previously used devices with ease. The background applications menu lists all the apps running in the background without a visible window. This way, you can glance through ongoing tasks and even close applications via the menu. The settings panel in Ubuntu 23.04 has also undergone significant changes. The accessibility panel, for example, has been completely redesigned to improve usability. Also, you can now share Wi-Fi passwords through a QR code. And furthermore, the About page displays kernel and firmware versions, giving you even more information about your device. Now, moving on to the file manager, the built-in search function in Nautilus has received a significant performance boost, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. When using the GTK file picker window, you can view files in icon mode for an easier selection of images and videos. Also, when taking a screenshot using the default tool, it's now stored in the clipboard. You can then quickly paste it into Nautilus by right-clicking the mouse. Ubuntu 23.04 ships with the new versions of the applications. Firefox, Thunderbird, LibreOffice, Shotwell, and some of the core packages have received new updates. Also, the Firefox Snap benefits from significant performance gains on the Raspberry Pi with hardware accelerator rendering. Ubuntu 23.04 uses the latest release, Kernel 6.2. This kernel brings several new features and improvements to the Rust implementation. It also solves some of the issues concerning split lock detectors. Kernel 6.2 brings support for Intel Arc graphics and Apple M1 chips, which is going to be a huge benefit for Asahi Linux developers. Thanks to the latest kernel and updated Meresai graphic drivers, which are going to offer a top-notch gaming experience on Ubuntu 23.04. I tried playing some Windows games such as Mortal Kombat through Steam using Proton 8. The gameplay was very good. Overall, I would say Ubuntu 23.04 is a short-term release that is supported for the next 9 months. It offers best-in-class Linux desktop experience. Now, compared to the standard GNOME distro, Ubuntu 23.04 looks much better. The enhancements made to the GNOME shell and underlying changes improve the performance by a slight margin. Now, compared to the Xorg, Wayland Session is next level. Thanks to the optimizations made to the Wayland display server, the GNOME desktop experience was fantastic. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I'll catch you in my next one.